Today I'll be reading the book My Mum by Anthony Browne. She's nice, my mum. My mum's a fantastic cook and a brilliant juggler. She's a great painter and the strongest woman in the world. She's really nice, my mum. My mum's a magic gardener. She can make anything grow. And she's a good fairy. When I'm sad, she can make me happy. She can sing like an angel and roar like a lion. She's really, really nice, my mum. My mum's as beautiful as a butterfly and as comfy as an armchair. She's as soft as a kitten and as tough as a rhino. She's really, really, really nice, my mum. My mum could be a dancer or an astronaut. She could be a film star or the big boss, but she's my mum. She's a super mum, and she makes me laugh a lot. I love my mum, and you know what? She loves me, and she always will. The end.